Hello friends, welcome back to my memory channel. Today I am going to show you a small project in Python. So I'll show you how the demo works. I'll first go to command prompt and type pgz run and space and drag and drop the file. And I'll press enter. When we press enter, we see an apple on the screen. When I click on it, we get a good shot over here. And if I miss it, it will show you missed and it will close the document. So let's get started. First go to Python and click on new page, and then type from random input random. Then type apple is equal to actor apple. Press enter twice and type def draw brackets semicolon def draw brackets colon. Press enter. You get indent spaces. You don't need to click backspace, and then type screen dot clear and apple dot draw. Then press enter twice and backspace and type def place brackets colon and then enter. You get another indent, and now you don't need to click backspace. Type apple dot x space is equal to space 300. Enter. Apple dot y space is equal to space and 200. Press enter twice and press backspace. Def on mouse down brackets and in the brackets you should write post and colon. Then if apple dot collide point brackets in brackets POS pause and colon. Press enter. Print good shot! Exclamation mark. Press enter. Place apple. Press enter. Backspace only once and type else colon enter print you missed. And type quit. Press backspace, click enter and press backspace and type apple.x is equal to random brackets 10 comma space 800 then apple.y is equal to random ten comma 600. Press enter twice and click backspace and type place apple. And that's it. Our app is done. I click Ctrl S and I get a screen. I choose where I can save my file and type the file name. I will type the file name as shoot the fruit in Python and I click save. It's saved, so I will run it. So let's see if it works or not. I go to command prompt. Just a minute, there's some glitch. I go to command prompt. Yes. And type pgz run space and I'll drag and drop the file. And I click enter. So there's some error. Let's see the error. No images. Okay. There's some error over here. I will just try it once again. So I'm going to try it again. It says error. I'll just try it again. Yes, here we go. We are done with our Show the Fruits in Python project. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. If you get any other error, please comment it below and I will fix it. Thank you.